Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Applied Zoological Society of Pakistan for providing me an opportunity to share my research in scientific society, and Dr. Farooq Ahmed, who encouraged me a lot. My name is Misbah Aslam, and currently I am working as Assistant Education Officer in Education Department. Today I will be discussed about wound healing assessment in mice using novel biomedical shear gel loaded with methanol extract of Oxosperma esculenta. Shea (Salvia hispanica) is an annual herb whose seed gel is widely used, particularly in food, since centuries across the world. Chia seed gel contains variety of peptides, higher oil content, vitamins, plenty of fiber content, antioxidant potential, and huge moisture content. Owing to these biological properties, current study was designed to formulate shea gel as a novel drug carrier biomedical material and its wound healing potential in mice. Methanol extracts of Oxosperma esculentum were used in a mixture form with the shea seed gel to formulate a new biomedical material. Material characterization was confirmed by scanning electron microscopy and chorioallantoic membrane assay. Shea seed gel was applied alone and with plant in laceration-bound mouse models. Chorioallantoic membrane assay confirmed the angiogenetic activity of shea seed gel, hence proved the wound healing capability of shea seed gel. The current study provided the strong evidence to use shea seed gel as a biological material with drug carrier and wound healing capacity in mice. The wound repair process follows many biochemical reactions. At the wound site, activated platelets, neutrophils and macrophages produced in large dimensions are superoxide anions radicals. Plant extracts containing proanthocyanins, polyphenolic flavonoids, and polyphenols are used to stimulate the repair process by first balancing the superoxide anions. This improves angiogenesis and blood flow in the course of the repair process. Chia can be considered as a potential antioxidant and a new hypotensive source for regular integration into human nutrition. Several herbs were known to possess medicinal value, including antimicrobial properties. Oxysterma esculentatum is one of them, used as medicinally in Egypt. Therefore, in current study, extract of Oxysterma esculentatum mixed with shea gel was studied for wound healing in mice. Methodology: plant sampling and extraction, shea gel formation, mice handling, grouping and dosing. There were 5 groups: T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. T1 was control group, T2 was treated with only shea gel, T3 was treated with only drug, T4 was treated with shea gel plus 0.02 gram of extract. T5 was treated with shea gel plus 0.1 gram of extract. Laceration wound model. The wound size was 8 mm as shown in the figure. Scanning electron microscopy analysis. Chorioallantoic membrane assay. Result: Scanning electron microscopy. The scanning electron microscopy of the chia seed gel after blending, freeze dried, and showed high porosity in the structure. B diagram plant shows plant extract loaded on the molecules of the gel. In the figures, C part showed the chia seed gel complexed with 0.0 gram of Augustulma esculentum methanol extract at 2 micrometer view, while in the figure D, this view was on 1 micrometer. In the figure E, the chia seed gel complex with 0.1 gram of Augustulma esculentum methanol extract was shown at 2 micrometer view. And in the figure F, 1 micrometer view. These figures show high porosity of chia seed gel with extract. This is the evidence for wound healing capacity of the chia seed gel mixed with plant extract. Skin wound healing. The wound healing in mice over 21 days of time period. On the day third, there was no significant difference in wound healing was noted in any of the group as compared to the control group, as shown in the figure. But there was a significant difference was noted on day 7, day 14 and day 21 as compared to the control group, which is shown in the figure. Proangiogenetic potential of chia gel using the CHEM assay for control group T1, T2 only gel group, T3 only drug, T4 gel plus 0.02 gram drug group, T5 gel plus 0.1 gram drug. During the wound healing process, formation of new blood vessels is enhanced to supply the growth factors for rapidly growing and dividing epidermal cells. The phenomena of new blood formation is said as angiogenesis. As we claim, the chia gel alone or in combination with plant extract of Augustulma esculentum enhancing the wound healing activity. Hence, the angiogenetic activity also enhanced. For this reason, CHEM assay was performed to check the angiogenetic potential of chia seed gel alone or loaded with the plant extract of Augustulma esculentum with different concentration for T4 and T5 group. All treatments applied in CHEM assay were seen to enhance the angiogenesis as compared to the control group. A clear network of blood vessels was shown in the present study, as shown in the figure, which is the evidence along with the wound healing property of all treatments. All groups showed prominent angiogenetic effects. Chia seed gel and drug treated groups have more effects than the control group. This is might to be due to proper porosity, infiltration and adhesive properties of chia seed gel with plant methanolic extract of Augustalma esculentum. Skin tissues photograph also confirm the wound healing capacity of chia seed gel and angiogenetic activity. Conclusion: the prepared novel biomedical material chia gel is rich in peptide, sugar, lipid, etc. Have strong antibacterial potential, high wound healing activity, biologically degradable, provide minerals, nutrition to the rapidly proliferating cells in the wound, lessen the inflammation, which is the key indication and evidence for wound healing in mice model. No known side effects, purely organic and natural. At the end, I acknowledge Dr. Hasib Khalid, Mr. Muhammad Sajid, Department of Anatomy and History, Histology, CUAS, Bahawalpur, for their help in research work. Dr. Chunpeng Wen, China, for facilitating scanning electron microscopy and material characterization. Thank you.